Hello Project Return members, this is Mr. James and I'm bringing to you another video about an artist I've come across over my years of studying art history and modern pop culture art, Yayoi Kusama. She does a lot of crazy polka dot installations, paintings, very vivid colors, high contrast, and one of my favorites are her polka dot pumpkins. Now, you can draw your pictures in however format, you can use whatever mediums you'd like. I'm going to use very basic tools. I'm going to have a white piece of paper, number 2 pencil, if I need a sharpener I have a sharpener, eraser, permanent marker, and some crayons. Like I said, it could be any color that you choose. The key point is just something to use that's readily available to you, and something that's going to give you contrast. Now, obviously, black marker will give contrast to a lot of lighter colors. So against the white, high contrast. Against these, yellow and red, orange is high contrast. I also pulled out a navy blue marker. So if you're feeling a little extra special as far as ideas for contrast, complementary contrast would be something in navy blue or bluish to the orange. So that's another idea there. So I'm going to just demonstrate how you can draw your pumpkin. I'm sure you've seen the videos and the pictures in the videos before this that give you an example of how she drew her pumpkins or boards. You can use whatever lines you would like to use, wherever you feel more comfortable. If you want to hold your paper in the horizontal manner, that's fine. I'm going to do a vertical display. So let's just start sketching out our pumpkin, and I'll see you at the jump. Alright, so I sketched out my pumpkin in pencil first, and now I'm going to go over some lines with my permanent marker, just for some bold, solid, dark lines. You don't have to erase your pencil work after. It depends on how neat or messy your line works are. But if you notice on my pumpkin lines, nothing straight, it's very organic, and it gives a sense of movement. So let's fill in the outline the pencil, and we'll start drawing in our circles. Alright, now that we've got roughly all our polka dots in, I ran into a little issue where my black markers, both black markers I had, were just out of ink. So this is what happens when you don't keep track of your art supplies. So make sure your markers are not dried out. But however, the dark navy blue kind of gives it a little bit of a different look. So I'm going to go touch up these circles with the dark navy blue to give it more of a solid color. And then from there, we're going to use the 2 orange crayons, and I'm going to alternate the different varying red orange I have and the yellow orange. But you can use any type of one color. You don't have to use a single color orange, or you can use any other color as long as it has contrast. When we mean by contrast, we want light and dark. So that's all you're going for is organic shapes, polka dots, light and dark contrast, any shape and size you want. You can do more dots, larger dots, a lot of smaller dots. Just have fun with it. It's totally experimental and very therapeutic as far as just like slowly filling in the circle. So you don't have to go super fast with this at all. I'm just doing it obviously for the sake of the length of the video. So let me touch this up and I'll start filling it with a crayon color. Okay, so now we have our finished Yayoi Kusama pumpkin, and I feel really happy with how it came out. It's very colorful. It's got a lot of contrast, high, high contrast with the various polka dots and their sizes. But feel free to obviously do different types of colors. You could do one solid color pumpkin and just draw polka dots. Here's another really super quick tip: if you happen not to have crayons and just possibly just have a ballpoint pen or a marker, I would suggest using probably colored paper such as this. So you could just draw out the pumpkin shape, bold lines, fill in all the polka dots, and then boom, you have an instant art piece. And then you could also take it a step further, cut that shape out, and paste it onto another high contrast color background. So just another idea. But it's open for interpretation and how you draw it. It doesn't have to look exactly like this. It could be a various shape, various sizes, and obviously as many polka dots or as few as you'd like. But the key things are contrast, organic, and like I said, have fun with it. So I hope you enjoyed the video and learned a little bit more about the artist. Click the links in the description so this way you can learn more about her work and her background. All right, take care, guys, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.